I just discovered a video platform that monetizes you the moment you join. No 1,000 subscribers, no 4,000 watch hours. Just sign up and start earning automatically. So today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about this platform step by step. And trust me, you want to get in early before this blows up. Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. So we all know the struggle with YouTube monetizations. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can see a single dollar. And that can even take you up to months, sometimes years of hard work before YouTube can pay you anything. But the platform I'm about to show you works completely different. And honestly, so many people, especially across Africa, haven't even heard about it yet. That's actually your advantage right now. Let me explain. So what is this platform all about? The app is called Rumble. Rumble is an online video platform. Think of it as YouTube. It looks exactly like YouTube, but with some serious advantages that most people don't even know about. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up and verify your account, upload your first video and start earning automatically. The moment you create your account and set up your channel, you are eligible to earn. No subscriber count requirement, no watch hour threshold. Rumble is still growing, so their content policies are not as tight as YouTube's policies. YouTube can wake up one day and demonetize your channel. Sometimes, even when you haven't done anything wrong. But Rumble gives content creators more freedom right now. On Rumble, you can post AI content without that fear of demonetization. You can post different types of content without the fear of restriction you face here on YouTube. So this is a huge advantage for you. Remember, when YouTube started first, their rules were easy and content creators made a lot of money quickly. So Rumble is at that same early stage right now. The earlier you join, the more you benefit. Now, let me take you to my screen and show you how to set up your channel. First, open your browser and search for Rumble. Then click on this first one with green logo and it will ask you to verify if you are human. Click on accept all. You will notice it looks exactly like YouTube and many creators has been on this platform uploading their videos and making money. Alright, to create your account, look at the top right corner and click sign up. Wait for it to load and then fill in your details. Enter your email address or your Gmail account and then your birth month, day and year. So I have put my and click on next. Now enter your username, gender and your country. So I will just write smart AI 123. Select female and choose Nigeria as my country. Then I will check this box and click on next. After that, create and confirm your password. And here I have created my password. I'll click on next. Now verify your email address. So they will send you a code to your Gmail account. I'll head over to my Gmail account, copy this code they sent to me, then paste it here and click on next. Go ahead, select the image capture to confirm you are a real person and not a bot. Then click on verify just like YouTube. And now we have successfully signed up as a new user. It asks me to choose three interests. So I will choose health and science, finance and entertainment. I'll click on next. Then I'll also select some creators channel based on my interests and I'll click on done. Voila, this is how my feed looks like. People are seriously posting on this platform
You can see 3 hours, 4 hours, 1 day ago. Now the next step is to set up your channel. The same way you create YouTube channel is what you are going to do right now. So click on your profile icon up right here, then click on account settings. Click on this hamburger menu, then lastly click on profile, and it will ask you to upload your photo, your channel banner and description. So I'll tap on upload photo and then select my picture. Then tap the check mark. So my profile picture has been uploaded. The next is to upload backsplash picture, and this is same thing as channel banner. So I'll also tap on it and then select this image as my banner. Also tap the check mark. Now the next thing is to add your channel description. This is also the same as YouTube about section. Briefly add what your channel is all about. So I just say welcome to Smart AI. Learn AI step by step with easy tutorials and beginner friendly guides. If you scroll down, you can see socials. Now this is where you can add your Facebook link, Twitter, Instagram and all of your other social account links. Once you are done putting all your details, click on update. We are almost done here. If you look at the top right corner, you can see that my profile picture is now showing. Now the next step is to show you how to upload your first video here to start making money. So click on this green video icon up here. You see upload video, go live. Yes, you can do live stream here and then Rumble Studio. So click on upload video and you will see upload, share and license your video. Now this is where it gets interesting. Pay close attention here. I'll tap on this arrow icon, select the video I want to upload and then click done. This is one of my video I uploaded on YouTube. Now once the video is complete, enter your video title. I'll just type how to use Grok AI for free / no subscriptions. Enter your video description as well. Write what your video is all about. Next is the category of your video. This is very important for search engines. So I'll put how to. After that, add your thumbnail. I'll click on choose your own and import my thumbnail. You can also add tags, add relevant keywords and related videos. All these things are very important because they help people to find your video more easily. Now check this box if you want to feature your video on top of your profile. Next, select the visibility of your video. Public, unlisted, private, or you can as well schedule upload for a specific date and time. You can also check this box to send notifications to your followers so they can watch your video immediately. Then click on upload and you will see your licensing options. This is where you give Rumble permission to use, distribute and monetize your video. Whenever you upload a video, you will always see these 4 license options to choose from. Now the first option says video management exclusive. This means Rumble can manage your video everywhere. Rumble can post and monetize the video on many other platforms like YouTube, Facebook and all that. You are giving them full management rights and you should not upload or monetize that same video elsewhere yourself. Now the second option says video management excluding YouTube. This means Rumble can manage your video on other platforms except YouTube. You will keep your YouTube rights and you can still upload and monetize that same video on YouTube yourself. Now the third option is Rumble only. This means you only upload this video on Rumble. If you always post your videos in other platforms, this is the best option for you. The video mainly stays here on Rumble. Just like the same way you upload on YouTube, it is simpler and more limited. You are uploading videos just for Rumble viewers only. Now, the last one, which is the fourth one, is personal use. This means you just want to upload, store, and share this video. It is not meant for monetization or earnings. Mostly, people that do online video class use these options to teach their students. So it is good for private or casual uploads, just like saving a video online for people to watch and not to make money from it. Okay, here's another interesting part. You see this additional syndication, it is a game changer. If you click on it, you will see that this allows you to connect Rumble to your YouTube, Facebook, or Vimeo accounts. Once linked, Rumble will automatically distribute your videos across all these platforms. And the views you earn on YouTube and Facebook get converted into Rumble monetization too. So you are essentially uploading once and earning in all platforms. You can turn this on or off at any time, but leaving it on is a smart move if you want to maximize your earnings. Now, once you are done imputing all these details, check these two boxes and hit submit. And that's it. Your video upload is complete. You can copy this direct link and share it to Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, and other platforms so people can watch your video. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? Go ahead, like and subscribe for more helpful content. Alright, let me show you how to access your earnings overview. So click on your profile icon, then click on dashboard. Here is where things get exciting. You can see all-time earnings instantly. This one is not like get 1000 subscribers before you can earn. No, you are automatically eligible to earn money here. Now, when you click on account overview, it shows you a full earnings breakdowns of YouTube earnings. Yes, YouTube earnings inside Rumble. Third-party earnings from platforms like Facebook and Vimeo. You can also see Rumble earnings, money from views on Rumble, then total earnings, everything combined. You are not just earning from Rumble platform only. Rumble can pull income from multiple platforms simultaneously. Now, if you click on Legacy Stats and Analytics, you will see ECPM, that is effective cost per mile or earnings per 1000 views. It simply means how much you earn for every 1000 video views. Alright, now the last step is to verify your account. To cash out your earnings, you need to verify your account first. So tap the hamburger menu, these three lines at the top left corner, click on account settings. Scroll up, click verification. Come over to this box and add your phone number. Quick reminder, verification also unlocks live streaming, commenting, and voting. So don't skip it. If you are in Africa, like Nigerian, Ghana, or Kenya, you may need to use a US phone number to verify your account. So if you want me to teach you how to get a US number, comment USA and I will do that for you. Then link your PayPal account. Once verified, you can request a payout whenever you have hit the $50 minimum threshold, unlike YouTube that requires $100 minimum threshold. Alright, I checked the video I uploaded and look at that. It has 6 raw views already and it's monetized even without subscribers or watch hours. This proves that Rumble is real and the platform is growing fast. So this is a good time to join. And that's everything you need to get started on Rumble today. Just sign up, set up your channel, upload your videos consistently and start earning from day one. No 1000 subscribers, no 4000 watch hours. And if this video helped you, like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. I will be happy to help. See you in the next video.